What are signs that your hot water heater is going out? Many homeowners in Mesa, Arizona do not realize there is a problem until hot water suddenly disappears and daily routines are disrupted. Water heaters usually give warning signs before they fail completely. Little or no hot water, fluctuating temperatures, rusty or discolored water, and foul-smelling hot water often point to internal issues. Unusual noises like popping or banging can signal heavy sediment buildup, while leaks around the base of the unit often mean the tank itself is failing. A sudden increase in energy bills can also indicate the system is working harder due to internal damage. Mesa, Arizona homes deal with hard water, which accelerates sediment buildup and corrosion inside water heaters. This shortens lifespan and increases the risk of overheating, leaks, and unexpected failure. Catching these warning signs early can help prevent emergency replacements and water damage. If you are noticing any of these warning signs, the safest next step is to have your water heater inspected by a local professional. Connecting with JB Water and Air gives you a clear assessment, honest recommendations, and guidance on whether repair or replacement makes the most sense for your home.